Hi, it's Kari Mathews of Prairie Quilting. Today, we're working on my quilt, Hugs and Kisses, just in time for Valentine's Day. The pattern is available through my website, prairiequilting.com, and the fabric I used for this is, most of it was Among the Wildflowers by Shelley Cavanna for Benner Tex. So I had fun playing with all the pinks and whites and burgundies, berry colors, so let's go ahead and get started. Today, we're going to be working on our X block. And we're going to be using half square triangles and quarter square triangles. All right, and for our X block, we're going to go ahead and make these units. We have this template here, template D, and we're going to line these up. So we'll just go ahead. I'm leaving my dog ears are hanging out the same side, same amount on each side. And I usually just eyeball that. I don't measure, mark it. Okay, let's go ahead and sew. Okay, and as you can see, there's a V here. That point is where the needle goes in and comes out the other side. Okay, first we're gonna go ahead and clip these off. All right, we're gonna press our corners, and we're pressing toward this template D here so that they will nest with our other blocks. Okay, so it's easiest to just kind of lay what you're wanting to press toward on top and peel it back. Okay, so I have the block laid out here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and connect this diagonal strip first. Okay, so we'll go ahead and we're going to connect up these end corners. Okay. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and connect those pieces to this center, or this berry colored. And for the most part, I sew without pins. The fabric kind of sticks to itself. Okay, so we're going to press at the end. We have this center strip sewn, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to sew our quarter square, these light pink triangles, to these other squares. Okay, so we'll go ahead and do both of those rows. All right, and then we're going to connect that other quarter square triangle to the other side. All right, let's go sew. Okay, I'm going to press these toward those triangles. Okay, so for this center, I'm going to go toward the center. And then the sides, these little triangles, I'm going to go toward the square here for both of those. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clip off these little corners here. All right, and then now for these sections, we're going to go ahead and connect up these little triangles. Okay, so there we go. Let's sew those. Okay, so now we just have these two seams. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're gonna pin and nest those seams here. Okay, so I'm feeling with my fingers, and I'm gonna take the pin and go in one side and come out the other. And same with this, and I can feel it. You can feel it when it's butting up against each other. Okay, go in and come out. All right, let's go ahead and sew. So if you can see here, there's like a V, and the point, your needle will go in the point of the V. Okay, and then there will be one on the other side where you come out. All right, and then we have one last seam, so we're going to go ahead and nest those seams, and pin. Last one. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and press. I'm going to press toward the, away from that center strip, okay? And toward the outer edge too. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and clip off these last corners here. And there is our X block. All right, our block is finished. I hope you had fun, and I hope to see you soon for another project. Take care.